Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas, to check out two small hotels and casinos. How small are they? Well, they're so small, we're going to check out two in this one video. The Binions as well as Four Queens. Let's check them out, shall we? Binion's Gaming Hall and Hotel, formerly known as Binion's Horseshoe, is owned by TLC Casino Enterprises. The casino is named after its founder, Benny Binion, whose family ran it from its founding in 1951 until 2004. The hotel, which has just 366 rooms, closed in 2009, and TLC reopened 81 of the rooms as a boutique hotel called Hotel Apache in 2019. The casino's interior has a frontier kind of like flavor, like a old-style riverboat with low ceilings and velvet wallpaper. It was the first casino in downtown Las Vegas to replace sawdust-covered floors with carpeting. Binions was also the first to offer comps to all gamblers, not just those who bet big money. The casino was also the first to constitute high table limits. When Binion first opened up the Horseshoe, he set the craps table limit at $500, 10 times higher than other casinos in Las Vegas at the time. Ultimately, Binion's raised the table limit to $10,000 and even eliminated table limits completely at times, which was an immediate hit. Unlike other casinos, the emphasis at Binion's is on gambling, not big performing acts. The casino is very egalitarian. There are no private pits for high rollers. By the way, word has it, the hotel's haunted, which might either steer you away from this place or make you want to book a room. There's even a place on the Binion's website that has comments from people who stayed here who could have sworn they saw or heard something. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And that, my friends, is what $1 million looks like. Next up, Four Queens Hotel and Casino. Four Queens has a 690-room hotel and a 27,269 square foot casino. It's owned and operated by TLC Casino Enterprises. If that sounds familiar, that's right. They own the Binions right across the street. As a matter of fact, if you're staying at the Four Queens and you want to go swimming, unfortunately, you're going to have to cross Fremont Street and use Binion's pool. That's the way it works around here. Four Queens opened in 1966. The casino is named after the builder Ben Goffstein's four daughters, Faith, Hope, Benita, and Michelle. It originally contained only 120 rooms and a 20,000 square foot casino. An 18-story hotel building was eventually added in 1981. Today, the casino occupies the entire block bordered by Fremont Street, Casino Center, 3rd Street, and Carson Avenue. The Four Queens was also a partner in renovating the downtown area and creating the Fremont Street experience. Nice job, Four Queens. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, hit that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.